Have you noticed the recent surge in Bitcoin prices? Let's delve into the reasons behind this phenomenal rise. The Bitcoin market has been buzzing with optimism, largely fueled by the anticipation around the approval of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. This optimism has been further stoked following reports that the SEC is in talks with Grayscale Investments to potentially convert its Bitcoin trust into a Bitcoin ETF. This optimism isn't just speculative. It's driving the Bitcoin price surge. Bitcoin prices recently crossed the $37,000 mark for the first time since May 2022, marking a significant rally. This isn't a random occurrence, but rather a calculated response to the potential for more widespread and mainstream investment opportunities through ETFs. But it's not just ETF optimism that's causing this surge. Market dynamics are also playing a significant role. One such dynamic is the short squeeze. This is a scenario where traders who have bet against Bitcoin are forced to exit their positions rapidly, leading to a swift rise in prices. This rally has seen over $21 million in short positions liquidated on exchanges like BitMEX, OKX, and Binance, primarily driven by market trades in Asia. Another key factor in this Bitcoin surge is significant institutional interest. Major institutions are starting to take Bitcoin seriously, and their involvement is having a profound influence on the market. This institutional interest is not just a vote of confidence in Bitcoin, but also a signal to other potential investors that the cryptocurrency is a viable and lucrative investment opportunity. With the potential for Bitcoin ETF approval, the effect of market dynamics, such as short squeezes, and significant institutional interest, Bitcoin's price is experiencing a significant upswing. But as always in the world of cryptocurrency, the future is unpredictable and exciting. Stay tuned to find out more about the potential future of Bitcoin. Now that we've understood the factors behind Bitcoin's surge, what does the future hold for this cryptocurrency? Let's fast forward to the year 2024. After Bitcoin's fourth halving event, where miners' block rewards will be halved to 3 1/8 BTC per new block, experts predict we're going to see some interesting numbers. We're talking about a potential high of nearly $75,000. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The same forecasts also indicate a possible low of around $57,000. So, while we're expecting growth, it's essential to remember that the market is volatile. However, on average, we might be looking at a Bitcoin price hovering around the $66,000 mark. These are not small figures, and they certainly suggest that Bitcoin's story is far from over. The future looks bright for Bitcoin, with predictions pointing towards significant growth. Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency experiencing a surge. Ethereum has also joined the party. Let's find out why. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has been making headlines with its remarkable price surge. A significant catalyst behind this rally is BlackRock's plan to create an exchange-traded fund, or ETF, holding Ethereum's Ether. Following this announcement, the price of Ethereum's Ether soared to around $2,100. The confirmation of this ETF plan came via a Nasdaq listing, and the corporate entity iShares Ethereum Trust was registered in Delaware. But what does this mean for Ethereum? An ETF allows investors to diversify their portfolios without actually owning the underlying asset, in this case, Ethereum's Ether. By offering an Ethereum ETF, BlackRock is essentially giving mainstream investors a more accessible way to get exposure to this burgeoning asset class. Now, let's talk about institutional involvement. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has shown a significant commitment to cryptocurrencies. Its plans for not just an Ethereum ETF, but also a Bitcoin ETF, have been pivotal in driving the price surge of these cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, BlackRock's market surveillance pact with Coinbase, a major digital currency exchange, is a crucial step in gaining regulatory approval from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, for these ETFs. Institutional involvement doesn't stop at BlackRock. Other corporate giants, like the Hong Kong-listed company May2, have purchased large amounts of Ether for investment purposes and to prepare for a potential entry into the blockchain industry. This growing institutional interest in Ethereum highlights the increasing acceptance of cryptocurrencies among mainstream investors and corporations. With strong institutional backing and the potential for an Ethereum ETF, Ethereum's price is also on an upward trajectory. We've seen the factors driving Ethereum's current surge. Now, let's take a look at what the future holds for Ethereum. As we delve into 2024 predictions, it's clear that expert opinions vary. CoinPrice Forecast is predicting a potential high of $2,343 for Ethereum. On the other hand, Wallet Investor takes a conservative approach, suggesting a figure of $1,065.298. Meanwhile, Crypto Newsy presents a more optimistic view, estimating an average price of $4,319. This wide range of predictions underscores the inherent volatility of the crypto market. Yet regardless of the swings, the common thread across these predictions is the belief in Ethereum's continued growth. The future for Ethereum also looks promising, with predictions indicating potential high volatility, but also substantial growth opportunities. We've explored the factors driving the surge in Bitcoin and Ethereum prices and looked at future price predictions. Let's wrap it all up. The recent upswing in these cryptocurrencies is largely driven by optimism around the approval of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Institutions like Grayscale Investments and BlackRock are at the forefront of this movement, influencing the market dynamics significantly. We've also talked about specific market phenomena, such as short squeezes, that have contributed to these price rallies. Looking ahead, future predictions for both Bitcoin and Ethereum show a wide range, indicating a potential for high volatility. However, they also hint at substantial growth opportunities within the crypto market. These predictions, while exciting, should be taken as part of the larger picture, with constant vigilance and informed decision-making being key. Remember, the crypto market continues to evolve, offering substantial growth opportunities despite potential volatility. Stay informed, stay ahead.